Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophie Ray. Thank you so much to everyone that watched my first ever YouTube video, or first ever proper one. So today I thought we would do a bit of a movement practice, not too much, keeping it gentle, and something that you can do wherever you are. So it's a variation on sun salutations, but I thought we would do a standing version that you can do wherever you are. And also it's really great if you have wrist injuries or wrist issues, or if you don't like getting down on the floor, or it's not as easy to get up and down off the floor. This is still a great way of moving, focusing on the breath, focusing the mind, and warming up. So sun salutations are great for warming up the body. It's great in the morning when you get out of bed. If you do a couple of sun salutations, a couple of rounds, loosen up the body and focus you for the day. We're going to be moving one breath, one movement. Once you know the sequence, you can do it as many times as you want, and you can do it as fast or as slow as you want. That's the great thing about a video. You can hit pause, you can go off and do it on your own, or you can do it with me and then be on your way. So make sure you're wearing something comfortable. Find yourself a space. This is great if you're out on a walk as well and you're in a particularly nice area, maybe in a park and the weather's nice, and yeah, it's a really lovely thing to do outside. So saluting the sun. The weather has been so lovely these past couple of days, and I thought, yeah, I'm going to do a video on a variation of sun salutations, a gentle variation, to honour the sun and the light. I love the sun. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Let's go. Come to stand in mountain pose with the feet slightly apart. We'll take a moment to arrive, closing the eyes or softening the gaze, allowing the shoulders to soften, the face to relax, and starting to settle into your breath. Breathing in and out through the nose if that's available. And start to gently rock forwards and backwards, side to side, feeling the earth beneath your feet. Maybe rolling the wrists, the shoulders, just bringing that connection to your body. You might have a swing of the arms, a little softness to the knees, a little shake out here. And then bringing the hands into prayer at the heart space. And if you'd like, you can set an intention for your practice. Taking a moment to arrive, releasing the arms down by the sides of the body. On your next inhale, reaching the arms up, maybe gaze up. Exhale to fold all the way down, hands meet blocks or to the floor. Inhale to lift halfway. Exhale, fold over the legs, bend the knees. Inhale, sit back in your chair and sweep the arms up, weight is in the heels. And exhale to stand. Inhale, step the right foot back, ground the heel, sweep the arms up, warrior one. Exhale, step to the top of the mat. Inhale, left foot steps back, arms reach up, step back to mountain pose. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sit back in your chair, sweep the arms up. Exhale to stand. Inhale, left foot steps back, reach the arms up. Exhale, stand at the top of the mat. Inhale, right foot steps back, arms reach up. Exhale to the top of the mat. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale to fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold over the legs. Inhale, sit back in your chair, sweep the arms through. Exhale to stand. Inhale, right foot steps back, arms up. Exhale, stand at the top of the mat. Inhale, left foot steps back, arms reach up. Exhale to mountain. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale to fold. Inhale, back to chair. Exhale to stand. Inhale, left foot steps back, ground the heel, arms up. Exhale, step to the mountain. Inhale, right foot steps back. Exhale, back to mountain. Taking a moment to pause. Coming back to the breath, notice how you feel. You might wish to do a few more rounds, and you can hit pause now. If not, enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for joining me to salute the sun. Have a wonderful day.